Hi, in this video you will learn how to install Node.js on Windows. Along with Node.js you will also install npm, that is Node Package Manager, and thereby in you will learn how to run your local web server using Node.js. So following the steps, first of all you will open nodejs.org. Okay, in this site for download for Windows, two versions are available. One 14.15.2 LTS. LTS means long term support, and the other version is 15.4.0. It is latest features of Node.js. So I will download it latest features of Node.js. I click on cancel because I am already downloaded. So then go to your download location, open your downloads. Okay, double click on Node.js version 15.4.0.msi. double click on this, click on next, tick mark I accept the terms in license agreement, next. Okay, this is the components of the Node.js, and also click on next. Click on this, not click on automatically install necessary tools, could not be used this, so you will have to move on next, and also install. Click on yes. Okay, installation is completed. Then we will open command prompt cmd. Okay, check the version of Node. Node space version, Node space v. It will come the version of 15.4.0, and also check Node Package Manager version npm space v. It will 7.1.2. okay, you will have just type on node. Okay, it will come the shell scripting, so you will have to main console.log hello is printed, and also you will have to okay, and also you will have to create one local server. Go to about this coding all are to copy and save one. Change it. It will create server.js. Just opened. Paste that code and save. Just open cmd cd space this file to draw in this. cd space node cd space location will be automatically come desktop, so automatically come to that location. So node space server.js, it will automatically run in the server path. Just we will have to open 12.127.0.0.1 colon hello world. It will the first node application. Control C is cancel the server.